This video is sponsored by Parallels, the easiest way to run Windows 11 on your Mac. Today, I will walk you through how to install Windows 11 using Parallels Desktop. It's quick, works seamlessly on both Intel and Apple Silicon Macs, and doesn't require any complex setup. If you want to follow along, you will find the link and an exclusive discount code in the description. If you want to try it out completely for free for 14 days, you guys will click here, try free. Then here you will enter your email address, click here and click on submit. Now you will be redirected to this website. Welcome to Parallels Desktop for Mac. Click here to download the application and make sure that you install it on your Mac as you would any other Mac application. Now, if you want to purchase Parallels Desktop beforehand, I will leave discount code in the video description below. Now, once you have it up and running, you should see a screen titled Create New. And here you will be prompted to install Windows 11. Down below, you can see that you can also install download macOS. In case if you want, for example, to try out macOS style, you guys can also try it out with the Parallels Desktop. Then you can also install Linux, Fedora, Ubuntu, Debian, Kali Linux as well. However, if you want to install Windows 11, you will select here Get Windows 11 from Microsoft and then click on Continue. You will be prompted to download and install Windows 11 here. So just click on Install Windows and wait for a few minutes. Now, after that, you guys should see the Windows 11 installer and a message. This process usually takes 5 to 15 minutes to complete. Parallels Desktop will create virtual machine completely for you. So it will create a disk size and configure everything you need to run Windows 11 on your Mac. After 10 minutes or so, you should see this screen installation complete. And here you guys will just click to continue, and then you will click on accept the Windows license agreement. You should see here a screen Windows 11 successfully installed, and after that you guys should see Windows 11 desktop. Now, one thing which I highly recommend for you guys is to create another local account, because this first one, which this Parallels Desktop installer actually creates, it's named by your already existing user on your Mac. Now, how can you pretty much create another user is to go here under the accounts inside the settings and click on the other users option. And then here you will click on add account. Now here you can sign in with Microsoft account. However, I highly recommend that you create a local account, and you can pretty much click here on I don't have this person signing in information. And then here you will click add a user without a Microsoft account. So just click here and then I will enter my name here. Click on next, and here you have your local account. I also highly recommend that you can change here account type and make sure that you put it here to the administrator and click on OK. Now you will just switch to another user. Now, one really cool thing about Parallels is that you guys can also see here Mac files inside your virtual machine. For example, you can browse your downloads folder, and yes, you can clearly see that here when you actually install Windows 11 on Parallels, it also downloads this ISO file or the disk image file for Windows 11, and later you guys can pretty much also delete it from your computer. Then you guys can also search for your documents, music, videos, and whatever you have on your Mac. This Windows 11 installation with Parallels works super smooth on the macOS. And of course, you guys can see here that you will also have to activate it. However, you guys can also use it as it is without the activation key, and it works just fine. Now, one thing which I highly recommend after installing Windows 11 on Parallels is to go here under Windows Update and make sure that you update your computer so you will have the latest security patches and updates on Windows 11. Now, inside Parallels, you guys will also find Control Center for all of your VMs. For example, you guys will click here on the settings or the gear icon, and you will see pretty much how much of the disk size it actually uses on your Mac. In this case, this fresh Windows 11 installation, it's using 15.66 gigabytes of our Mac hard drive. Now, you guys can also go here under the options and, for example, turn off the file sharing so the virtual machine can't actually see files from your Mac. Now, here you can also configure USB, Bluetooth, hard disk, graphics, and security, and you can also back up your virtual machine as well. So let's say that something breaks on your Windows 11 installation on Parallels. You guys can also create something completely different, which is a snapshot. Now, what snapshot actually does, it goes back to your previous installation. So in this case here, you can see that I have here two of the snapshots. So this is the current state and the state before or snapshot 1 where everything worked just fine. So you would just click on this and now it should work as brand new. Parallels also has one really cool feature for Mac, and that is by clicking this blue button here, it will switch to actual coherence mode. And now from your dock, you guys will click on Windows 11 virtual machine and it will open this start menu from Windows 11, and you guys can click, for example, on Microsoft Edge, and you guys will have here Microsoft Edge from Windows or the virtual machine from Parallels running here on your Mac. And you guys will also see here its icon inside your dock, which I find really cool. And pretty much you guys will run, for example, also Microsoft Store. You can open it here on your Mac, and even the File Explorer. You guys can just go through your files and you guys can pretty much run every single application, almost every single application here on your Mac. This is only 14 days trial, and if you guys want to buy Parallels Desktop for 1 year or maybe even lifetime, I will leave a discount code in the video description below with the affiliate link as well. That way you guys also help this channel. Now, in my opinion, Parallels works super smooth, especially Windows 11 works super smooth through Parallels on my Mac, and I think it's totally worth upgrading to 1 year license or even a lifetime. And for that, I will leave my affiliate link, which helps my channel, and also a discount code for a good discount on your Parallels Desktop purchase. Now, with that said, have an amazing rest of your day. Subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already, and also leave a like down below. See you guys in the next video.